Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today is my third and final video for BeeBeeCraft. These are the supplies I'll use. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I will be using some crafts supplies that I got from BeeBeeCraft. BeeBeeCraft is an online supply store that sells craft supplies. I'll put a link to their homepage in the description below so you can check them out. Also, if you're interested, they do have a YouTube program where you can make videos for them, and in exchange they give you free crafting supplies. All you have to do is have 100 or more subscribers, and then just click on the link below and apply to their YouTube program. It's pretty easy. Also, I will be leaving links to the products I'm using in the description below. This is a cane I made in one of my previous videos, and I will be using it here in this video. If you want to know how I made that, I will leave a link in the description below. I just kind of started off by cutting 2 slices. And then I'll be using my resin mold that I got from BeeBeeCraft. You'll just want to take your slices and gently put them inside of the mold. And then begin tucking around all of the excess clay into the center of the mold. And just make sure you have it tucked in there very nicely so that it takes the shape of the mold. And then just slice off any of the excess clay. And then easy peasy, very easy, pop it out of the mold. And I'll make one more for the back side. And I'll just want to take the 2 pieces and place them together. And it might take a little bit of maneuvering to get them lined up perfectly so that there's no overlapping sides. And really you can use whatever you have to blend the edges together. And now I'm going to make a little moon dangle piece. I'm using some scraps from when I made the heart. And I'll just cut it in half and use one for the front and one for the back. And on small pieces like this, it helps if you take your finger and push up on the mold from the back. And then you can place your other finger on the clay and press it in. And then release your finger from the back. And it'll kind of suction it into the tiny little spots. And cut off the excess. It pops out pretty nicely. And I will go ahead and make a second one for the back side. And again, I will just place the 2 pieces together and then smooth out the seams. And I'll just place it on a curved handle, just using a random tool. And that's just so that it keeps its shape a little bit better because it is really small. And of course, if you don't mind the seams, you could always just place the 2 pieces together and leave it like that. And I have made 2 more hearts, and those will be for a pair of earrings. I'm going to go ahead and bake my pieces, and then I will drill in the holes for the eye hooks when I'm done. And I will be using this drill set that I got from BeeBeeCraft. It's actually pretty cool, and it was only about $10. So I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check that product out. And I decided to use this drill piece. And it's actually pretty easy to use. All you need to do is unscrew it a little bit and then place the drill piece inside. And then you can close it back up and it fits in there very nicely. And then I'll begin drilling my holes. I'll place one at the top of each of the hearts. And then I will place in an eye hook at the top. And then for the one heart that I will be using for the necklace, I'll just drill a hole at the bottom. And then place in another eye hook. And then I'll drill one hole at the top of the moon. And then place in my eye hook. And you'll want to glue in your eye hooks before proceeding on to the next step. Just attach your earring hook to your earrings and then close it up. And then for the necklace, you'll just hook on a jump ring and then connect that to the necklace chain. And then just close it up and add on your little moon dangle piece. And this is it when it's done. I hope you have enjoyed this 3-part video series where I use BeeBeeCraft supplies. As a very small YouTube channel, it's nice that places have programs where you can get free supplies for doing videos. It was pretty easy. The process was pretty simple. If any of you are YouTubers out there and you have used the BeeBeeCraft program, leave a comment below with the name of your channel and I will be glad to check it out and see what you made from BeeBeeCraft. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!